मुसलमानों ने इस देश के लिए किया ही क्या है? What have even Muslims done for this country? This is not only a shameful question to ask, this is an utterly stupid question to ask. When Bhagat Singh was arrested and he was presented in front of the court, the judge of that court, he refused to sign the proceedings of the case. He publicly distanced and disassociated himself from the case as a sign of protest, for which he was kicked out of the court. Who was that man? Syed Agha Haider, a Muslim. You must have heard about Ram Prasad Bismil, an Indian revolutionary who was hanged by the British. Along with him, his co-conspirator on the same case was Ashfaqullah Khan, who was also hanged alongside him, an Indian Muslim who bled for the country. We so proudly say, Inqilab Zindabad, Inqilab Zindabad. Where does this slogan even come from? Maulana Hazrat Mohani, an Indian Muslim. The same Muslims who we mock today as Mulle, Maulane, they were the ones who actually sacrificed their blood for the country. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, a scholar of the highest order, he spoke 6 languages fluently, the first education minister of India. He spent a total of 10 years in jail. 10 years in jail he spent for the country. And we are asking, what have Indian Muslims done for India? Mind you, these examples are the tip of the iceberg. I can give you 100 more. From street level protests to high level intellectual discussions, Indian Muslims have participated thoroughly for the independence of this country. There's no doubt about it. इस देश के बनने में ना, Christians, Muslims, Hindus and even atheists have shed their blood, have sacrificed their lives. We have no right to question Indian Muslims on anything, that much I can tell.